Would you like to design a treehouse with BIG? In a WWF-affiliated area, Students of Architecture for Hospitality, a project by Cesare Roversi, will have to reimagine one of the most fascinating architectural archetypes in an authentic and sustainable way.
Sono Andrea Manes, amministratore delegato di Oasi Dinamo. Durante questi lunghi anni ci siamo sempre interrogati su quale fosse il progetto, la missione di questo incredibile patrimonio naturalistico di cui dovevamo occuparci. Nasce con l'idea di progettare un vero e proprio concept di hotellerie, di ospitalità diffusa, dove comunque la natura facesse da padrona all'interno della loro esperienza.
Tutored by Luca Braccini, Associate Architect at BIG, participants will develop treehouse suites, capable of generating original and unforgettable experiences rooted in an immersion in nature.
I think it's always quite important to remember that when we do a project, we always start from try to understand which are the key questions somehow that we need to identify. What we try to do is to spend time understanding the question and then try to come up with little idea. This is probably what I think the laboratory should try to do.
Siamo molto contenti insomma di poter essere parte di questo progetto, perché crediamo appunto che l'architettura, l'arte e la sostenibilità possano realizzare grandi cose insieme.
What is important for a student or for a young architect that is just starting into this field is to acquire as soon as possible, in a way, all the tools and the language to interconnect and interact with other people that are not essentially or are not necessarily architects.
How would you shape the relationship between architecture and natural context in the field of hospitality?